Here are 7 effective fitness ideas to help you stay in shape. 1. Bodyweight workouts. Exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks use your own body weight to build strength and endurance. You can do these anywhere without any equipment. 2. Running or jogging. A simple yet highly effective way to improve cardiovascular health, boost stamina, and burn calories. Start with short runs and gradually increase distance or speed. 3. Strength training. Lifting weights or using resistance bands can help build muscle, increase metabolism, and improve overall strength. Focus on major muscle groups: legs, chest, back, arms. 4. Hit a high-intensity interval training. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods. This boosts metabolism, burns fat quickly, and saves time with efficient 20 to 30-minute sessions. 5. Yoga improves flexibility, balance, and strength while promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Yoga also helps relieve stress and enhances overall well-being. 6. Cycling. Whether outdoor cycling or on a stationary bike, it's a great low-impact cardio workout that strengthens the legs and improves cardiovascular fitness. 7. Walking. An easy and accessible way to stay active. Walking at a brisk pace helps improve heart health, reduce stress, and support weight loss. These ideas cover a variety of fitness aspects like strength, cardio, flexibility, and stress relief, making it easy to tailor to your preferences. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.